Welcome back. Now, when you go to your Zapier dashboard, you will see recommended workflows in the center. If you go to the left side menu and you click on Zaps, you will then see any Zaps that you have currently in operation. You will see all of the Zaps that you currently have turned on. You will also see all of the Zaps that you have currently turned off. Only the Zaps that are turned on count towards your plan, which you can monitor on the left side menu at the very bottom. If you need to transfer a large amount of information for a large amount of individuals, you can use a transfer instead of a Zap. We will cover this specific process in another video, but the transfer section will help you to keep track of the results that you're getting with any transfers that you have made. You will then be able to see all of the applications that you currently have connected to Zapier. Now, this is not the universe of applications that are available. These are the applications that you have connected to your account. If you go to this link, you'll be able to see a Zap history. You'll then be able to see all of the Zaps that you have used and how they have been used in order to connect applications that you have. You can sort for specific dates. You can sort for specific Zaps. You can sort for specific applications. And if you're working with a team, you can sort for specific folders. And the Explore tab will take you back to one of the home or advertising pages. And as stated before, you can monitor your plan in this area. You can change the plan by clicking on Manage Plan if you don't feel as if you have enough capacity to do with Zapier what you need to do. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.